5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. You're gonna give her a carry through. And we're leading with the left, draping with the right. 1, 2, drape on 3. Left hand goes over the head. I'm gonna follow her. 5, drape myself on 6, 7. Now we're gonna do a broken left, bringing the right hand over my head. 1, 2. This left hand is gonna drape myself on 3. Now I'm gonna do a quick turn to the right on 5, and then grab the left hand, bring it down, right hand over 5, and we do a back charge on 6, 7. So now left arm is gonna come this way as right arm goes that way. Give her a Copa, step forward. 1, bring her forward on 2, turn around 3, straight forward 5, 6, 7. So now I'm gonna start unwinding her to the right with the left hand on 1. I'm gonna start turning to the right, left arm goes down, right hand goes up. 2. It's gonna go over my head on 3, down 5. I'm switch to my left hand. And then follow around 6, 7. Grab the shoulder, bring her to the forward. 1, 2, inside turn 3, 5, 366, 7. Open 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Carry through. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Copa. 1, 2, turn 3. Check forward. 5, 6, 7. 2 turns to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go through and half left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 360. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there.